Hey YouTube, Gundam here. Welcome back to Satisfactory. I'm going to show you what I've been working on now. I'm going to make my beautiful factory. I started by needing resources, so this is a great view. It just causes lag. So there is my one train station, some copper which is coming from over there. And then I have resources coming from the main base over at the space elevator over there. And it goes on to one train going over to the oil field over there, which comes up and over on this other train to there, drops off and comes down here, which then heads to this. I've just started it, but I've already used about, I don't know, 50, 60,000 concrete. I have a placeholder nuclear reactor over there, as that's one of the largest buildings you can get that isn't the space elevator. Like the nuclear reactor, the particle accelerator, and then the space elevator itself. So this is going to be the kind of the ground floor or the sub level. I'm going to have a bunch of concrete stuff going around as walls. I've got it started here. These inlet zones are 3 wide, and the outer bits here are 7 wide, with the exception of the middle there. That is a 6 wide. I'm going to continue it over to there, go around the whole thing. And I'm going to also cover the bottom, but using the orange ones, not the concrete ones. I'm going to have a train going around the entire thing, with a station in each corner. Oh, probably I don't know. I'll think of what I'm going to do with it. But I'm going to have a train going around with a station in the corners, like I said. That's just going to be for moving around, but it's also for moving resources. Like there, I'm going to connect it up. Concrete, alkali aluminum sheets, and whatever I feel like. But it's just going to be concrete and alkali aluminum sheets, and then a couple of trains. But yeah, I'm going to have that going around. I'm going to have a door at every single one of these inlet zones. This bottom is going to be 10 high, so that way it'll cover up this other stuff that I have around, including that, hopefully. And then I'll have the actual structure on top of it that is going to go really high. This bottom is going to be storage and raw resources from all sorts of things that are all over the place in this area. There's actually a lot here. Just have the radar tower turned off. Let me go up top. Turn this on. All right. Yeah, the fog hits you when you're up this. Oop, no, this. There we go. So you see there's the occasional bit of like copper there, copper, some coal, some limestone, sulfur, caterium, water, but I don't need water. I need nitrogen gas and oil. But you can see where I am. So there's a lot of goodies in this area. Most of it's iron, though. Most is iron. But I've got some water here, water there, water there. Let me turn this back off now, because lag. There we go. Okay. The fog of war, or the fog of war, fog of the thing comes up when I'm up there, but not when I'm down here. So yeah, that's why that's there. So yeah, there's a lot of goodies here. Going down. I think I got something in the MAM. Yeah, hard drive. I need to check that out. I don't think I even have one. I need reinforced iron plates and wire, which should be in here. Wire and reinforced plates. Alternate wire with that. Insulated cable with that. Steeled frame. Ugh. Well, that actually could be of use. I can't think of anything for the others, so. Yeah, just You see what I mean about needing other resources? I have stuff coming from the trains filling up this. Really? Okay. Oh, just dump it in here. Because I can. There. And that one. Okay. So, yeah, I've just gotten started on this whole thing, and it's already glitching a bit. Because of course it is. There we go. Actually, I might make these the other doors. But, so I'm going to have a train running around the outside. I'm going to have this overhang a bit so that way you don't get wet here. But you can see I've got this thing going around. I'm going to have this also zip around the entire thing. So that way it looks like you have some barrier. But I'm going to make this, I think, the orange one going down. Just so it looks good. Which means I'm going to need a lot of iron plates. And I don't have them. Luckily, there's a ton of resources I've been grabbing. So it'll take a while for me to build this whole thing. But the idea behind this is I want to bring in raw resources into this bottom floor here. And then I'm going to have everything be built inside here. And I'm going to make it that it can handle a set of nuclear reactors, coal generators and stuff. But I've got water there, I've got water over there, and I've got water way over here. So I can do coal on one side, nuclear on the other side or something. And then a massive factory skyscraper in the middle. That's the idea. So it is pretty big, but it's also not. So yeah, I do have minimum graphics just for frame rate and all the concrete. So yeah, all from there. Do I want to have this on the inside? Ooh. Yeah, I need to set the power up. I need to do everything. Do I want this here? I don't know. Probably for the inside, yeah. So I need to get the everything, but right now I'm just doing the main structure, so my inventory is full of concrete and iron plates. So, yeah. I don't have any manufacturing. So I might actually want to get some manufacturing set up on all this iron nearby. There's nodes all around the place. I'm wondering where the nearest one is. Maybe that one. But I'll get some iron production going just out here so I have iron plates. Because I'm going to need a lot for this thing. Concrete is not an issue. It's iron plates. So, also, I don't have any bauxite anywhere nearby. That's going to be a concern. I need bauxite for aluminum. The alkali aluminum sheets, I mean, you know, that for those. So. Man, there is nothing. I might need to bring that in. Luckily, I already am from the conveyor line. There is nothing in range. Let's scan. Nothing at all. Wow. How about oil? Oil. Oh, wait, there it is. Jeez, that's the closest one? Jeez. However, there's oil right there. That's good news. Alright, so I have oil there, oil there. A lot of oil, actually. Looks like that's several nodes. But there's bauxite way down there. Oof. Well, I'll worry about it later. 3 kilometers, 1.5, 1 kilometer. Okay. Well, one step at a time. This first, I'll go from there. I will catch you all later. Bye.